on Chrome with a brand new tool. Pabbly Connect Web Clipper, now that's the jewel. Select any text and I'm feeling real cool. Sending data to my sheets, making moves like a mule. Got my workflows tight, automation's the key. From Slack to WhatsApp, I set it up with glee. Just right click and send, yeah, it's so easy. Pabbly's got my back, no need to feel queasy. Pabbly Connect Web Clipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. From Chrome to the cloud, everything's a fit. With Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit. Hit the Chrome store, download, let's go. Add that extension, now I'm in the flow. Manage webhooks, set the URL in tow. Trigger events to watch the data grow. From Facebook groups to blogs I see. Just select the text and it's history. Google Sheets is waiting, it's all so free. Pabbly Connect, making life so breezy. Pabbly Connect Web Clipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. From Chrome to the cloud, everything's a fit. With Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit. Date and time, URLs all in line. Map it all out, everything's fine. No copying, pasting, wasting my grind. Pabbly's got my back, it's automation time. Pabbly Connect Web Clipper, yeah, it's lit.